Skoda Yeti in with us today. We have removed the Skoda audio system which was starting to malfunction, and we've installed the new wireless 7722 DAB multimedia radio, which looks great in the dashboard. Steering wheel controls still work, sort of flush fitted into the dash. We've currently got wireless Android Auto activated, and then we can go back to the main KENWOOD menu as well for your DAB radio, standard Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth hands-free. Yeah, all installed within about 2 hours today. Customer wants the USB charging point just at the bottom there. We can, if you want, retain the original USB. That's just a slight additional cost. And if the vehicle's got fibre optic parking sensors, we can also retain the fibre optic parking sensors to work through the new KENWOOD screen. So yeah, wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, digital radio, all within one unit. Thanks again for watching Automotive Control in Bristol.